Abnormality codes or trouble codes are indicators that a machine may have an electrical or mechanical irregularity occurring. Using My Komatsu's abnormality filter, you can identify machines that trigger abnormality codes, and you can find specific details and troubleshooting steps under the My Health tab. With My Komatsu's recent alerting enhancements, you can now create abnormality code notifications. The first step is to identify the machines from your fleet that you want monitored. Don't forget, with My Komatsu's All Makes telematics capability, you can integrate, monitor, and create alerts for all the yellow iron in your fleet in one place. Once machines are identified, you'll need to determine the conditions to trigger your abnormality notification. Conditions can be set either by action level or by specific abnormality codes. The next step is to determine your frequency. The frequency will determine how often you'll get notified when one of your conditions are triggered. My Komatsu offers email and text alert options, as well as web and mobile app notifications. A good proactive measure is to set abnormality code alerts with a high action level condition at a daily or weekly frequency. This will provide you with a timely report indicating machines that may require your attention.